AirPods Pro keep slipping? Linkdream sent me the silicone tip plus cleaner kit that claims a comfier, noise-blocking fit. So let's pop them on and see if they outdo Apple's originals. So here's the container that it comes in. It's actually a very simple kit, but I think that's one of its greatest strengths. As you can see, it actually comes with a very nice plastic case. If you open it up, oh, I opened it up a little too hard, but that's okay. It actually holds each of the ear nubs like perfectly in a spot where it's just easy to grab. And if you have any extras, you got 2 other spots. I really like this case. I've seen other kits like this that don't come with the case that like keep it in the container like this and keep it super sorted out. So super nice. Comes with super small, medium, and large ear tips, which are super, super handy. I love it. It also comes with this pen, which I've actually used these before. Super, super handy. As you can see, it has a little bit of a felt tip on this side, which when you pull this bad boy out, actually lets you basically clean the insides right here. Or if you want, you can even clean the inside of your AirPods case. Super, super handy. I really like this tip. It makes it super easy to clean whatever you're looking to clean. The other side, if you pop it in place, has a little brush, which super, super handy again. You can pull this side off and it gives you just the tiniest little brush to easily brush anything off of these. But also this little pen tip, which if you couldn't tell, is actually perfect for basically digging around the rubber to get any crap out of there. So you don't have to think about that. Super, super handy. These brushes are super nice. I love that they also come with a little rubber tip like this. So you don't have to worry about it poking somebody. And just to test it real quick, just to show you, here are all of the ear tips that it come with. This is a official ear tip. Fits on there just fine. And we pull off one of these ear tips, throw it on here. And the ear tips actually fit on there pretty well. You don't have to worry about it coming off. Super, super handy. I like that. Very well made. They feel exactly like the originals, so nothing wrong there. If you're looking for a ear cleaning kit for your AirPods, I totally recommend this bad boy. Super recommend.